Okay, May 12th. We just finished 4 days. A long 4-day weekend of work. And it was pretty. And I wound up getting a lot done. Not as much as we hoped. But here I'm looking at the staircase, which was the big goal, and it's not totally finished, but I got the majority, the bulk of it done, which feels really good, and it's solid, and solves a lot of other issues as far as like planning for the kitchen and everything we're going to do with this wall that divides the kitchen and the living room. You see the stairs are going to obviously, we're going to build out underneath the stairs on both sides, basically. So the kitchen will have storage that reaches into the stairs as well, though not as far. And not all of it's completely usable. So it'll be kind of a bit, I don't know what's the word, not theatrical, but the idea of it will be great, nicer than the actual function of it, I think, on the kitchen side. But this wall in between the kitchen and the living room was originally like an, I don't know what to call these, like an occupied wall. So it was a storage wall. So it had some kind of shelving or wardrobes or cabinets or something that was built into it, just to maximize space. And I love that idea, and always have tried to look for opportunities to do it in our projects at home. And so this will be a lot of fun to start working on the kitchen and putting in the shelving in that wall this way, but from the other side, I mean. Anyway, yeah, there was I put in a piece of steel here. Okay, we're shutting down. I put in a piece of steel there, obviously, because I was worried about deflection, and at first there was still a slight bit of bowing when you really kind of jumped on that, or stomped down the stairs. But as I continued and built the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th and 6th step, and added some structure behind these boxes and just tightened everything together, it seems like that the loads are distributed now, and there is no deflection when you bounce on it. So and you can, it feels sturdy when you walk up it. So for now, we were thinking about putting like changing the design of the drawers and like dividing this into two and dropping a piece of structure in the middle there. But I don't think we're going to do that unless we have to later, and we can later. Let's just walk up here. I haven't actually done this yet. That felt good. We've been using this ladder for a long time, and it's no fun in the middle of the night, and it's no fun early in the morning. It's no fun ever, really. So this is a vast improvement. They're steep, but what else? Hega. There's Hega. Hello, Hega.
Hello.
It's Mother's Day in the States. Do you want to walk out and talk about the garden?
Okay.
That was...
You can only photograph it from a certain angle.
I haven't seen what you did today. Today was very pretty. It's been quite nice the whole time. I almost think I got hot one day. There's the Toller birdhouse, which Haggis says is possibly occupied. Did I just see some movement in there? I wish a bird would fly out.
It looks like somebody was building something. I mean, there isn't that much to show here.
No, but you started. It's still wet out here. Too wet. The land drains this way, and we weren't very thoughtful landscape designers when we laid this out over here. And so this corner of the plot has just been soaking wet for months.
It's been wet since the flood last year. I think it'll be.
Just doesn't dry up. We tried to move this rock yesterday, but failed. Partially because it's just full of mud down there. So maybe next weekend we can try again.
It's huge.
It's huge. It doesn't look huge, but it is very heavy. Too heavy. Well, we've got rhubarb started.
Yeah, it's coming like crazy.
We're gonna put the trash can over it.
Yeah, maybe it might be too late, but yeah, maybe on one of them. I don't know.
I want to try that. Okay. And this is what you did.
No. It's just a very cheap, quick little greenhouse over that little spot.
Well, I like it.
I think it's interesting. Try to stick your hand in there. It's much warmer.
Yeah, it's very warm.
You feel it's warm?
Yeah, it is. It's true.
It looks like the grape vine I bought last year has survived this winter. It's budding. So I'm curious to see what happens.
That's nice. Yeah. What's this?
It's a strawberry plant.
Oh, okay.
It doesn't really carry hardly anything. It's just kind of put there.
We're supposed to be northern lights the last couple of nights, but when we would go out, and we stayed up until 2 a.m. one night before we really went to bed. So we've had late nights, but we didn't see any northern lights.
I think it was just that one night. Last night was too.
No, it might even be tonight. There's like a storm. It's happening all over the globe.
Northern hemisphere.
Yeah. Okay. I guess that's it. We're gonna be back in 4 days.